And I'm Brooks.
Today we are making 5 different types of paper airplanes. First, you want to fold it across like this. And then you open it up, and now we are making a jet. Fold the corner down on the line where you folded it across. Now fold it again. Now you fold it across like this, or on the line. You fold down the wings. Then you fold them out. You could be done here, but I like to fold the wings up and fold these down to make stuff that catches the wind to make it glide better. There. Now we're going to see how far the jet flies. It probably would have gone farther, so let's throw it a little bit higher. The jet's a pretty good plane, and it's easy to make. Now we are making a dart. It's kind of similar to the jet. First you fold it in half, then fold this corner down so that it looks like that on both sides. Then you fold it again on both sides. Then you fold down the wings, flip it over, and then fold down the other wing. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it, folding down the tip.
Now we are going to see how far the dart goes.
The dart works okay, but it didn't work as good as the jet. Now we are making a glider. First, you want to fold it this way, and then you want to fold it again to make a square. Then you unfold it, and then you get it like this. You fold the top all the way down to the line in the middle. Now, fold the corners right where your newest fold meets the piece of paper, and then you do that to the other side too. Now, you fold the top down, then you fold it down again, and straighten these out. Then you flip it over and fold it in half. Then fold down the wings, and you want very long wings, so you fold it down pretty low, because this is a glider. And this one, I'm not going to fold down the edges. There it is.
Now we are going to see how far the glider goes.
It helps if you throw the glider softer. Just glide. Doesn't go very straight. Still kind of pretty fun. Now we are making a bug. And like everything else, first we can fold this right here all the way down. And the bug is probably one of the worst planes I'm going to show you. The second thing you do is you fold up here, and then on both sides, then you fold this all the way down here, so that it looks like an envelope. And then you fold this right here, and then you fold this up so that it looks like this. And then you fold it across and then fold down the wings. When you fall down the wings, you want to barely be able to see a triangle. You have a bug. You're going to see how far the bug goes. It doesn't go very far, but it is a good stunt plane. If you want a stunt plane, I guess you need to have a bug. And the last plane we are making is a Bulldog. Like pretty much all the players fold it across. This one's super easy. Unfold it and you fold it down right here at the seam and right here. And then you just fold it over and then just fold down the wings. And fold them up. And there it is. Now we're going to see how far the Bulldog goes. It does not work that good.
Let me try.
That was kind of okay. So these are our 5 planes. The glider, jet, dart, bug, and Bulldog. The jet is probably the best one here. And then dart, glider, bug, then Bulldog. That's from best to least best. Bye.
Bye.